In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invoice expenses marked as billable to customers in QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through how to take an expense you've already recorded and turn it into an invoice your customer can pay. This is perfect when you've purchased something on behalf of a client and need to pass that cost along clearly and accurately. Start by heading to your transactions area and opening the expense you want to bill to your customer. If you have a lot of activity, use filters like date, vendor, or amount to find it quickly. Click into the expense to review the details. Make sure everything looks right. Date, vendor, amount, and a clear description so both you and your customer understand what the charge is for. Inside the expense, assign the correct customer in the customer field, then check the box labeled Billable. This is the key step that tells QuickBooks to make this charge available when you create the invoice. Marking it as billable doesn't send anything yet. It simply flags that cost so it can flow onto the invoice later. If you don't see the billable option, it may be disabled in your company settings. You can follow up on that separately after this process. Now you're ready to create the invoice. Click the New button at the top left and choose Invoice. This opens a fresh invoice form. Select the same customer you used on the expense. As soon as you pick the customer, look to the panel on the right. QuickBooks will show suggested transactions for that customer, including the expense you just marked as billable. Select that billable expense from the panel to add it to the invoice. QuickBooks will bring over the relevant details automatically, so you don't have to retype the amount or description. Take a moment to confirm everything is correct. The item or description, the quantity if applicable, the rate, and the total. If you use taxes, double-check the tax settings on the line to ensure compliance. You can also add a short message on the invoice to clarify what the charge covers, which helps reduce questions and speeds up payment. When you're satisfied, send the invoice to your customer. You can preview it to see exactly what they'll receive, then send it directly from QuickBooks. The billable expense is now included on the invoice, and the cost is properly tracked back to the original transaction. That's all it takes. You've gone from recording the expense to billing your customer with just a few clicks, keeping your books accurate and your cash flow moving.